Okay, first things first, make sure you've made a copy of this Google Sheets just to confirm that you are working on your own copy. And we are going to show you how to make a residual graph. So to make a residual graph, the first thing we need to do is to start off and make a regular scatter plot. So highlight those two columns, make a chart. It'll automatically make a scatter plot for you. I'm going to make it a bit smaller here, and then I need to add a line of best fit. So you go to Customize, go to Series, scroll down until you see Trend Line, that's your line of best fit, and then scroll down further and change the label to Use Equation, and then you'll get a line of best fit with the equation for it. And we're going to use that equation to fill in some predicted values. So these predicted values are going to be on the line of best fit. So we're going to type in equals and then start typing in the equation of the line of best fit. So negative 0.453x. But instead of x, I'm going to backspace that and I'm going to click on the 120 because that represents my x value. But before I click on it, make sure you go times. So times 120, and then I'm going to add 248. It'll do the calculation for me, and if you're lucky, it'll suggest an autofill, and you can check mark that. If it doesn't autofill, then you click on this corner here. When you see the crosshairs, drag that down, and it'll autofill it for you. So these are the predicted values. These are y values that are on the line of best fit. So to get the residual, you're going to hit equals, click on the observed value, the 200, which is the original y value, and you're going to subtract the predicted value or the y value on the line of best fit, and that will give you your residuals. And you notice a positive residual is when the point is above the line of best fit, and the negative residual is when the point is below the line of best fit. So now that we have a residual column, we're going to make another scatter plot between the original x column and the residual column using the shift button, holding that down, or using the command button if you are on a Mac. And then you're going to insert scatter plot. Now it might do something a little bit strange. It's going to potentially give you a double bar graph, so we need to adjust this. You're going to go to Setup, and we're going to change the chart type to a scatter plot, and then if you scroll down and click use column A as labels, then we're going to get our scatter plot for the residuals. So this shows us that the line of best fit is fine, because we've got equal number of points above 0 and we've got equal number of points below 0, and it even bounces back and forth between above, below, etc. I'll try to do a different example later where it shows you how to tell if a residual graph doesn't show you a good line of best fit.